Hey everyone, welcome back to CODEXICAL. In today's video, we are diving deep into the one of the most powerful concept in Python, which is string. We will go deeper in this lecture. By the end of this video, you will know the string methods, indexing, slicing, and the powerful formatting techniques. So stay with me till the end, because each minute builds your Python skills. First, what are strings? Strings are the sequence of characters. Anything inside a quotes is a string. For example, as you see this example, the hello, Python, and 123 is a string type. Yes, even number inside the quotes are also strings. Python treats strings as immutable sequences, meaning once created, they cannot be changed. String indexing and slicing. Let's quickly look at how to access the characters inside a string. You will see this simple code example. Name is equal to codexical, and it's simply printing the name from letter 0. Zeroth index, in which the zeroth index we see the value of C will be printed on screen, and if we use the -1 sign, then it will use from the end of the string. So at the end of the string it will be L is printed on screen. The third print statement simply prints the sequence from the range 2th index to the 6th index, which is DEXI, is simply printed on screen. Slicing is extremely important. You will use it in anywhere, whatever you want. The string methods. Now the most important part of the string methods. These built-in functions help us clean, modify, and process text. This is a simple example. You see s is equal to hello Python, and the s dot operator upper function simply capital all the string, and the lower simply lowers all the string, and s dot title simply capital starting letter of a string, and the s dot capitalize simply capitalize the first letter. These are super useful for normalizing text. We can simply replace the text by simply using the replace method. Replace the value you want to replace. If I want to replace the fun with awesome, then I will write the fun first and then the replacing value. And we can also remove the spaces in a string by this example. In this example, you see the spaces around the codexical. So I will use the strip method to simply remove all the spaces around the codexical, and I will use the L strip. It simply removes the left side of spaces around the codexical, and the right side R strip simply removes the right side spaces of the word or string. We can also split and join. Python is a powerful. Words is equal to text dot split. It simply splits all the words and simply prints the word. Print slash dot join words. It simply rejoins all the words. Split turns string into the list, and join turns list into the string. And the next is string formatting. Python has 3 major formatting styles. Let's see one by one. The F string is the most modern and recommended for you, such as this example is showing that name is equal to codexical and age is 5. So I am simply printing F. F is the formatting style we use every time we write down in a string my channel, and then the curly braces to use the variable and the situation, and then is And then also age, we use the age. With curly braces, we use the variable and years old. Fast, clean, readable, and use these always. It faster your coding skills. So now we will make a simple. So now we will make a simple mini project in which we are building a tiny program using methods and formatting. In this I will get the input from the user by using simple input method. Full name is equal to input, enter your name, enter your name, and then I will use the strip methods to simply remove the spaces. And simply remove the spaces around the string, and then I will use the title dot title. No need. Now it will simply inputs the name from the user. Now I will print it on screen by simply using this formatting method with this print f hello, and then the curly braces to use the variable. The name you entered, that is stored in full name, and then there's that variable is printed on screen with this proper formatting hello full name, comma welcome to CODEXICAL. So I will save it and run that file, python test.py, and enter your name. Usman. I will use Usman. As you see, hello Usman, comma welcome to CODEXICAL. This is the simple formatting, and we will use another formatting in which we will print the length of a name by using this simple command len function to simply print how many letters your name is, how many letters are your name is available. So I will save it and run that. As name is Usman, has 5 letters, so it's simply 5. Prints the your name as 5 characters. So another example, which is upper and lower, I will use the print f formatting, and then the inverted commas, and your name is, then curly braces, full name, full name. If I want to capitalize the full name, then I will use the dot upper method. It simply capitalize the name, and another I will use the lower method to lower from capital letter, convert a capital letter to a lower. So I will save it and I will run that file. I will use first capital and all the small letters. So as you see, your name is small as a capital and a small letters. So this is the simple concepts of string in Python. Practice it more to get more understanding of that concept. As you have learned the concept of strings, in the next video you will learn about the file handling techniques in simple Python. If you enjoyed this lecture, So don't miss to subscribe our channel to be you aware from the new upcoming trends in the field of AI, software engineering and programming Python. So see you in the next video.